Hey guys, Dave Vega, Citadel Development. Here at Manor, 7 Brew, getting ready to kick this store off. Got operations happening here with the franchise group, but I kind of wanted to walk you through here real quick and show you what we've been doing the last month. If you kind of look around here a little bit, you can kind of see what the finishing touches would look like, right? We're talking about this last month, we got all our paving in, all our asphalt, striping, landscaping has been tied in really nicely, the irrigation is in. Everything that we would need to have to comply with the 7 Brew corporate standards has been met. In fact, today we had a walkthrough with them and they gave us a big thumbs up on everything looking really good. So we spent this last month making sure that we are ready to hand this off when we get our final seal, when we get our sign-offs from health and everybody, that they say you're good to go. Not only are you good to go functionally, but aesthetically it works out right. We're hitting all the right parts for each franchise group, including this one, making sure that they're getting what they need for their process. So this last month has been hard and fast. We've incorporated some designs from the architecture review committee for the developers. So we're adding brick to the building. Essentially, we're getting everything dialed in here, so all we have is bits and pieces to really screw together and call it a day, and we can hand the keys over and let 7 Brew do their thing. Part of this process that we run through in construction in general is how do you get through your hurdles, right? So this site was no different. Not in the last minute, but through the process after we had approved drawings. We got comments from the city saying that we needed to add a new sidewalk out in front by the main road. We had to change the elevations of that. We had to comply with ADA. And then we also had to deal with the fact that other sites next to us were dealing with plans that were associated with ours that connect to ours that were incorrect. So, which is to say that there's a driveway coming on our site, on the next site that doesn't go anywhere because their plans were wrong. You know, things get caught in the middle. We deal with those in the moment, and again, back to being flexible, right? That's kind of what we have to do. So we dealt with a lot of those challenges. Time and money are always the biggest thing. For the owners, it's money. For us, it's time and the schedule, which is, you know, resourcing our priorities, making sure that we have our subs in order and that we have materials in order and that we have a plan going forward to how to make up that time. As great as everything can be at the end of these things, when people show up and everybody's happy and they're selling coffee, the process that it took to get here is substantially different. But again, this is what we do and this is why we do it, is for the end goal of showing off a good product to our customers and getting it done in the way that they appreciate.